Hello friends. I realize I have to hurry up and make this video before the thunderstorm comes and you might not be able to hear me anymore. So, welcome. Thank you for joining this present moment wherever you are in time and space. I'm so grateful you're here. Really felt called to do this video today, almost like I couldn't do anything else until I got this out. So feeling really great to share this graphic that I made with you all and talk about maybe a few other things as well that I have on my mind, but I wanted to start with this, and I hope to make this a watercolor, color pencil, maybe part of my book or a rough draft version. So let me just go over this image. So this is part of Malcolm Bendall's Plasmoid Unification model, and I did already cover this in a previous video, but I wanted to highlight it as I'm going through his material and cementing my understanding, comprehension of different concepts. I just want to make sure that I'm really solidifying it for you all simultaneously. So we're doing it together, again, like I tell you all the time. So here at the top we have the sun. This is definitely not to scale for sure. The sun would be way huger. But we have the diameter of the sun is 864,000 miles. And then we have the moon's diameter is 2,160 miles. And we multiply that by 4, we get 8,640. So you could, Malcolm refers to this as the square of the moon. Basically, the diameter times 4. If you were to put the moon in a square, what would that square look like? And then we have the Earth, the number of seconds that it takes for one rotation of the Earth, one Earth day, the length of time is 86,400. So we have these 3 numbers here that are measurements of both space and time, and we have these 3 major bodies, celestial bodies, very important to all of our human lives, for sure. So we see how they align. Now, what does this mean? What implications does this have? I can't answer that question right now. But I am hoping that you all might be part of the journey to discover some of the secrets of our universe based on this type of knowledge and understanding. So, now let me just briefly share some artwork, just show and tell for fun. This is what I'm working on, and I know this will develop. I've done this before with a spiral, a 4-armed spiral, almost like a galaxy. And so I may add the spiral, but I've been doing a lot of artwork lately, and as I prepare to start designing actual mechanisms, actual vehicles, which is my dream. Thank you all for hearing that dream. This is what I'm working on. It's really light right now, it's pencil, but this is another one I'm doing to really get better at spatial curve design, designing curves, drawing curves. And you can see at the top, these lines sort of curve, and anyway, I just wanted to share that for fun. It's by no means completed or in any kind of form really to show anyone. Actually, I tell myself all the time, why do you show people stuff when it's not completed? But I guess I just am really fond of you all. So and here's another one. It still feels like a work in progress. I thought it was done, but I'm wanting some energy movement, and I'm wanting to just maybe have some vortexes coming in. And anyway, that leads me to what I wanted to talk to you all about next, briefly, because the raindrops are starting. But just wanted to go over, I had some thoughts earlier today, and I said I really want to share this with everyone about how we have energy centers in our body where energy is flowing through these energy centers in different directions. And as it's doing so, it is vortexing in these energy centers. And the way I've learned and the way I see it really resonates with me, one of the views of reality is that we have Earth's energy vortexing up through our bodies, and we have the energy from the heavens, all the celestial bodies outside of the Earth, coming down from the sky and vortexing through our crown chakra, whereas the earth energy is going to vortex up through the root chakra. So we have these two major forces, yin and yang, meeting in the middle in the heart, which is the portal from which our beingness fractals out into this reality from that portal directly to source creation. But there's all sorts of mechanisms involved, and it's gonna really start coming down here pretty soon. So I'll just leave it at that. But that's a topic I'd love to continue to discuss with you all. So this was short and sweet. I hope you all enjoyed. So much love. As always, may you all be fully abundant in all areas of your life, and may your days be filled with joy and contentment and peace. And this is a new chapter for humanity, so let's just remember that every day, that we just be a little more patient, and there's some really awesome things about to start coming our way. So day by day, moment to moment, but the future is certainly extraordinarily bright. All right, beautiful day to you all. Take care.